Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs, and this is their Death by Roses bath bomb, shaped like a coffin, and it has 3 little baby rosebuds on top. And this is considered a jumbo bath bomb. It's huge. And I like that when I lower this into the water, it didn't sink or flip over like a lot of them do. So I thought it looked really cool in the water with all the colors coming off of it and just kind of floating around. And this one has fragrance notes of black cherry. I kind of think that's accurate. It's definitely not like an artificial cherry smell. I'm trying to think what actual black cherry smell like, and I think it's accurate. It was pretty fragrant. To me, I thought it kind of just smelled like a nice soap, and I know I say it smells like soap a lot often, but that's just what's coming to mind when I smell it. But not like a Dove soap. I don't know, just a nice bar soap. And in the corner there, the water finally got into it, so I gave it a little push and then it started sinking. Kind of looked like a little sunken ship, the way it was like bubbling up. I thought this one was a lot of fun to watch. Typically, I'm not very impressed by Pearl bath bombs, and I think I've said that before, but this one I did think was really fun. I was kind of bummed if you watch my unboxing video because a lot of them came a little damaged. The gummy bear one, I could already see the ring container, so I'm pretty sure that's going to take 2 seconds to dissolve, but of course I will film that. This one actually took a really long time, and towards the end you'll see it. I ended up breaking it in pieces because the water was getting cold. I don't even know how long it was still in there, maybe 10 minutes, probably more than that. I even walked away to help Jackson get ready for school. That's how long it was taking. So you can see here, still a lot left. And the water was a very dark, almost like a red wine color. Really pretty. But it did slow down towards the end, wasn't so active. There's a container, so I'm just going to go ahead and break it off. And it was in a little square container. Those, for whatever reason, when my hands are wet, it's a little bit harder to open. But inside is your code, and then there's 3 different rings you can get with this bath bomb. One is rose gold, which is the one I got. There's a platinum one and a gold-plated one. And they all have like pink and white and red stones, which is kind of confusing to me. I was hoping for more of like a Halloween themed ring. These kind of look like Valentine's Day-ish rings. Let me know what you guys think. You can see a picture of all of them online when you go to this bath bomb on their website, so check it out. So I would say that's the only miss here. I wish the rings were more vampire, Halloween, something darker stone, darker metal. But yeah, I got 100 Pearl points for this, and stay tuned if you want to see the rest of my ring reveals. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.